Yeah, there how's it going. Looks like you're trying to derive an assembly into a scale. So let's see if we can get you going here. So if we start a new part, so if we derive the part, bring it in here. So it's got our main one and then all of our individual parts. Go to our options, scale factor, let's make it 2. So it makes it a lot bigger. And bodies, make sure they're all there. And OK. So now we have our scale is doubled up. And then we have all of our individual parts here. Now, if you want to, you can go to Manage, Make Components. Alright, so then it's going to ask you which solids you want. So we can either go to the solid bodies here, select all of our solid bodies, go to Next. Alright, so now we have our new part, and it is then scaled up. So you can open these up individually, and there you go. So if you come back to the original and open up our base component, make any changes here, it'll change the new scaled assembly here and then roll out to this part. So if we go into here, we edit our derived assembly, go to our options, make it 3 times as big, go to our assembly here, update it, now that's bigger, and go to our solid here, and that's bigger.